Experiencing no service on your Straight Talk phone? It's usually due to network or account issues. First, check your account status. Ensure your plan is active and you have sufficient balance using the Straight Talk app or by calling 1-877-430-2355. Next, rule out network problems by restarting your phone, toggling airplane mode, and checking the signal bars. Straight Talk uses Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile networks, so coverage varies. If in a known dead zone or during carrier maintenance, this could be the cause. If issues persist, consider if recent events like weather affect tower connectivity. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the service issue, check your SIM card for physical damage. Inspect the gold connectors for corrosion or bends that could prevent proper connection. Incorrect APN settings can block service. For Verizon-based SIM cards, set the APN to WAP.TrackPhone. Check MMS port, proxy, and authentication type in your phone's network settings. Reset your network settings to clear corrupted configurations. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. This will clear Wi-Fi passwords and cellular data settings. If the SIM card appears damaged, replace it for free. Visit Walmart or order a replacement online from Straight Talk's website. Test service with the new SIM card. For international service issues, download the Straight Talk Roaming app. Enable data roaming in your phone settings and verify the international APN configuration. Avoid rooting Android devices or jailbreaking iPhones, as this voids your warranty and can cause service disruptions. Only use official software updates. If problems continue, contact Straight Talk support at 1-877-430-2355. For rural areas with poor coverage, consider switching to a Verizon-based SIM card. Note that support response times can be up to 48 hours.